Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Ritvik. Today we're gonna make fireworks in a website less than 5 minutes. So you must download this jQuery firework.js. I got this from the internet and made a few changes. So open your file index.html. After that, hit the exclamatory mark here and press enter and rename to whatever you want. And then add a section or anything you want. You can add a section, div, whatever you want. So then after that, paste this kind of code. I'm also giving you the source code for you in the description if you didn't get the code right. So you must link this to your download this jQuery.js. I'm also giving the link in the description to download it. So add one more script tag here and then paste this following script. This one. And I'm also giving a link to everything in the description. Make sure you check the description and set the opacity to 1. And the sound, the sound you need to wait for a little bit longer, okay? So for it to load. Okay, here, change this as section or whatever here, and there you have it. Bye guys, see you next time.